camels making their way out now. We had the opportunity to chat with the camels yesterday.
Yes, that was
one-sided.
Yeah, one-sided conversation. But they seemed quite interested in what you had to say. So
a little fun fact actually about Kazakhstan. One of the only places that has 2-humped and 1-humped camels. Here, I believe we only see 2-humped camels, but they do. It's a region that does have both, which is unusual.
Surface here. The uniqueness here of the night is that the influence of Asia, the influence of Europe, has Kazakhstan perfectly situated between, right in the middle between both.
A country that inhabits over 130 different nationalities, a big melting pot here, and now you can see the apple trees. A little legend or myth about the apple is that first had its beginning here in Kazakhstan, and apparently some of the best apples in the